Hello, CWE Team London. Merry Christmas and enjoy the season. God bless everyone.
Okay. Hello, CWE family of London. We are about to play badminton ni Chona doon sa kabila. Nandito kami sa second floor ng badminton court. Dalawang point lang. As me and Chona right now is enjoying our retirement life. Diba? Palagi natin dinidiscuss sa webinars, sa seminars natin na there are two major items na dapat mong paghandaan pag nagretiro ka. Una, ano nga yun? Anong gagawin mo pag nag-retire ka? That is also very important. Pangalawa, may sapat ka bang ipon para magkaroon ka ng karapatang magretiro? So with that, I would encourage everyone, kami ni Chona talagang binubuno, talagang tuloy-tuloy ang mission for 15 years straight bago kami nag-konting relax ng konti. Now, we're enjoying the fruits of our labor. We're enjoying royalty income. We're having our retirement life, enjoying each other's company, playing badminton 3 times a week to maintain our health. So kayo dyan, tuloy-tuloy lang, tiyaga lang, continuously educate people, build people's minds and hearts, and in the end, God will really reward you of a happy and worry-free retirement life. With that, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you. God bless!
Hi everyone, it's that time of the year again. Time really flies so fast. So I would like to congratulate each and every one of you for a job well done. Congratulations for helping people, for changing lives, and for being an instrument of God's wonderful blessing. And thank you that despite all of the challenges we have or you have in life, with yourself, with your family, with your community, with your work, you choose to continue sharing IMG mission. And tonight, it's rewards time. It's a happy time. Enjoy the night and enjoy the celebration. Celebrate each other's success. Celebrate each other with this wonderful Christmas blessing. So, Merry Christmas to all of you and God bless you all. Thank you.
Hello UK team! Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat! Congratulations sa inyong Christmas party! Kami ni Jo ay masayang-masaya dahil naka-visit kami. We were able to visit last August at nagsama-sama tayo, nag-usap, nagkakwentuhan. At maraming salamat for your generosity, no? For your presence, for your time, no? And we're always praying for you, no? For you and for your family, not to be successful, hindi lang sa ating finances, sa inyong finances, hindi lang sa inyong IMG business, but in every area of your life. Okay, so of course, number one dyan is sa ating spiritual life. We pray na yan, mas ma-strengthen pa yung inyong faith and relationship with Jesus. Of course, yan naman po yung reason bakit tayo nagse-celebrate, bakit tayo may Christmas party, no? So, we're praying na maging successful kayo in your journey with Him. Okay, and number second is we pray na maging successful kayo sa inyong family and married life, if you're married, of course. We also pray for you to become successful in your physical life, sa inyong health. Of course, health is wealth, sabi nga. Kasi we cannot do good if we don't feel good, di ba? So, napaka-importante talaga dyan, no? Of course, we have to be mindful do sa ating mga kinakain, tamang diet, iwasan ng mga junk foods, tamang tulog, of course, sunlight, water, di ba? And of course, yan, yung mga healthy lifestyle natin. Okay? And take your, of course, as a medical doctor, yan, ginagawa din namin ni Jonah. Yan, no? If, of course, dapat talagang yung sa food natin, no? Yung nga, talagang dapat natural, as much as possible, no? Yung vegetables, wag mawawala, di ba? Okay, and take multivitamins din, no? Kasi yun nga, hindi naman natin makukuha talaga sa sa diet lang alone yung ating mga nutritional needs. And kami, no, I would advise na yun nga, we suggest na you take vitamin D3, no? One of the most important vitamins, vitamin D3 with vitamin K2 with magnesium. So sama-sama yung tatlo na yan, and of course vitamin C, no? Yan, di ba, di ba medyo nag-advise na rin ako, no, ng ginagawa namin sa health, no? Anyway, we also pray for your success in your financial life, no? Syempre, no, nandito tayo sa IMG, in your business life. Tuloy-tuloy tayo, no? Napakaganda ng ating mission. Ang dami natin natutulungan. The more people we educate, the more people we build. Of course, the more people we prosper, the more we become prosperous, no? Yun yung maganda sa ating mission. Kumbaga, yayaman tayo sa IMG habang marami tayong pinapayaman, no? And of course, hindi naman natin gustong yumaman lang para lang sa sarili natin, but of course for our big why, and of course to give more to our church, to our charity, to give more glory, no? Sa kanya, di ba? So, yan. So, ingat po kayo lahat at mag-enjoy kayo sa inyong event, of course, and we're praying na kung ano man yung success natin, this 2025, more success, more prosperity, no? More favor ang darating sa ating lahat sa darating na 2026. Okay? And of course, no, meron palang may gustong humabol na mabumati sa inyo.
Maligayang Pasko, UK Team!
Whoosh! Merry Christmas, London team. Today you are celebrating a Christmas party for Warriors team, or I think IMG team in London. So this season did me remind you or deliver this message to you. So be reminded, you know, Christmas is a season of giving. So that's what we do in IMG. So be reminded of our mission. Our mission is to help create wealth for families. And our vision is to lead the financial revolution. So whatever your background, you can get into the financial industry and have access to financial solutions. And our purpose in Warriors is to end the cycle of poverty. So we wage war against poverty, and as member of Warrior, the true-blooded warrior, we are committed to fight this war till the last drop of our blood. And how to do it? We have a culture. So we just immerse every member to our culture. So first, we change people from spender. Alam nyo, ang pag-spend, hindi na kailang ituro, di ba? Talagang madaling ano yan, kaya lahat magiging spender. Kaya ang dapat nating ituro is to become a saver. So of course, from spender, we change people to become a saver and to become an investor. And of course, you want to achieve your goal faster, be an entrepreneur. So at least be reminded of what we do and how we help people again. So first, we make money. So you make money. Of course, you are in London, you make money, but you have to use your spare time to make more money. So ang purpose natin is talagang to increase your cash flow. As we make money, of course, we save money. So wag lahat na you make money, you spend it all, nako, hanggang buong buhay hindi ka makakauwi for good, no, sa Pilipinas, and you cannot achieve financial freedom. So then you save money, you grow money. Yan, talagang you build wealth. And now you have wealth, you have a lot of money, you need to know how to protect that money, to protect that wealth. So that's the totality of achieving financial freedom. So ang alam na natin is how to make a lot of money. So pag hindi mo ituloy yan to save more money and grow that money and protect that money, walang mangyari sa buhay natin. So alam nyo, lahat ng mga malalaki galing sa maliliit. Kaya start small. Kasi pag hindi ka marunong mag-manage sa maliit ng pera,
So, pag dumami ng pera mo, the same thing, hindi ka rin marunong mag-manage niyan. So, kaya managing small amount of money is the same thing of managing big amount of money. And start small, no? Lahat ng, again, balikan ko, lahat ng malalaki galing sa maliliit. So, don't underestimate yung small savings natin. Alam niyo naman, di ba, we are who we are because of a habit. So, kahit nga 20 pesos a day lang, di ba, after 30 years, more than 2 million na yan if you know how to grow that money. And don't underestimate also the small spending. So, yung maliliit-liit na gastos, pag iponin mo yan, ako, milyon na mawala sa iyo. Kaya talagang, talagang it's all about habit. Start small. So, yung mga maliliit na gastos natin, medyo titingnan natin kung ano ba yung talagang need or want. So, lahat ng mga want, tatanggalin natin. Yung talagang kahit need, kung di naman talaga kailangan, tanggalin natin para marami tayong pang-invest, di ba? And it can give you wealth over long term. So, kaya lahat ng mga maliliit na income, lahat ng magiging malaki yan, and you grow that money, you can build wealth. So, that's our culture, and yan that's how we help people. That's why sa mga OFW, ang ganda ng purpose natin, marami mga OFW talagang sakripisyo, malayo sa mga anak, malayo sa pamilya, talagang malaking sakripisyo, but kasi yun ang purpose natin, talagang magbigyan ng magandang buhay ang pamilya,